Hello friends, today we are going to watch the cricket match between bugs and slugs. Hello Miss, when are we going to watch the match between bugs and slugs?
Hello Monami. Hello teacher. First let us learn about the upper and lower case U. Then we will watch the match. Hello children. Welcome to our channel Let's Learn with Monami. So let's start. This is an uppercase U. What is this Monami?
This is an uppercase U.
And this is a lowercase u. What is this Monami?
This is a lowercase u.
As you know children, every letter has a different sound. Letter U is a vowel and it has two sounds. To make you understand it better,
let us first watch the cricket match.
As you wish Monami.
Once there was a bug named Yuko and a slug named They were standing under a big umbrella to decide a cricket match between the bugs and the slugs. And Uncle Bunny would be the umpire. As the cricket pitch was full of mud, they called their friend Unicorn to make the pitch uniform. Unicorn jumped and jumped and jumped on the pitch till it was uniform. On the match day, both the teams were all set. The mule played the bugle to inaugurate the match. But as the match was about to begin, it started raining. Both the teams were very upset and sighed, "Ah, ah, ah." Then Uncle Bunny had a unique idea and suggested that they play ultimate frisbee instead of cricket. Both the teams got excited and they had a joyful match of ultimate frisbee that day.
Monami, what are you doing?
Miss, I'm trying to close the umbrella.
Let me help you Monami. Just a minute, let me help you.
Okay, miss. Thank you, miss.
Welcome Monami.
Did you enjoy the match?
Yes, miss. It was so fun. We really enjoyed the match. Thank you, miss.
It's my pleasure. So now let us sing about the sound of letter U. U is a vowel, it has two sounds. U is a vowel, it has two sounds.
U is a vowel, it has two sounds. U is a vowel, it has two sounds.
Let us say the short sound a.
Let us say the short sound a.
A as an umbrella, A as an uncle, A as an umpire.
A as an umbrella, A as an uncle, A as an umpire.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
U is a vowel, it has two sounds. U is a vowel, it has two sounds.
U is a vowel, it has two sounds. U is a vowel, it has two sounds.
Let us say the long sound U. U, U, U.
Let us say the long sound U, 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 U.
U as in unicorn, U as in uniform, U as in universe.
U as in unicorn, U as in uniform, U as in universe.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
So now let us revise. So what is the short sound of letter U?
A. A as in umbrella, A as in auntie.
And what is the long sound of letter U?
U. U as in unicorn and U as in ukulele. Ukulele. My uncle can play ukulele.
Okay. So children, in our next class we will learn about letter V.
And friends, if you want to watch another match, then you please like, subscribe and share our channel.
See you in our next class. Till then, bye.